Welcome back to the channel. With late April bringing incredible spring weather to Snyanton, the late afternoon golden hour is absolutely perfect for appreciating vibrant exterior spaces. I was just pulling a fresh loaf of kefir bread from the bread machine this morning, when Valia and I started debating how to successfully transition between different architectural styles on a single property. Valia can be quite stubborn about going heavy on bright, bold siding colors, while I naturally tend to focus on the heavy structural masonry of the home. The solution to this debate is creating a heavily decorated courtyard that serves as a transitional corridor between two distinct building sections. By heavily layering container gardening, incorporating bold checkerboard hardscaping, and repeating colors through floral blooms, you can seamlessly bridge the gap between traditional brick and vibrant modern siding. Today, we are exploring breathtaking variations of a bright cottage-style courtyard designed specifically to blend your home's exterior colors with an explosion of spring blooms. Let's dig into the details. Because this space acts as a corridor between two wings of a house, a plain concrete slab would feel entirely too industrial and cold. The ground plane must be engaging enough to carry the eye across the space. The entire open area is heavily hardscaped, paved with square tiles laid in a dynamic diagonal, checkerboard-like pattern. Alternating between light beige and warm terracotta colors instantly warms up the courtyard, recalling classic Mediterranean or cottage patios. This diagonal layout makes the narrow space feel wider and more expansive. Furthermore, having a completely hardscaped ground is incredibly functional. It provides a warm, dry surface for the dog to lounge on in the late afternoon sun, and it completely eliminates the need to drag a lawnmower into the courtyard, keeping your low-maintenance aesthetic intact. The core architectural challenge in this space is making two very different built-in facades look like they belong to the same property. We achieve this through color repetition and structural framing. On the right side, the main house features classic, light-colored brick siding and a small porch accessed by a few warm brown tiled steps that perfectly match the courtyard flooring. On the left side, a secondary wing features bright, vibrant yellow horizontal siding and a dark red door. These are contrasting materials and contrasting colors. To breach this gap, we use the landscaping. The dark front door on the brick side speaks to the dark red door on the yellow side. The warmth of the terracotta tiles grounds both buildings. By flanking the space with contrasting facades, the courtyard becomes an eclectic, intentional gallery rather than a mismatched mistake. With the architecture set, the true magic of this courtyard is the softscaping. To bridge the visual gap between the yellow siding and the beige brick, the space is defined by an absolute explosion of colorful container gardening, relying heavily on profusely blooming petunias. Numerous hanging baskets are suspended from the eaves of the porch on the right and mounted on decorative wrought iron hooks along the yellow wall on the left. These baskets overflow with pink, purple, and magenta trailing flowers. This draws the eye upward, softening the rigid horizontal lines of the siding and the hard vertical lines of the brick. As the centerpiece, a large, prominent, deep red urn planter sits on the paving near the center left. This deep red echoes the color of the door on the left, and it bursts with a massive spherical arrangement of bright magenta petunias, anchoring the entire floral display. While the chaotic explosion of petunias provides romance and color, a garden needs structure so it doesn't look completely overgrown and messy. We provide this structure right at the ground level. On the left side of the courtyard, a long, narrow, rectangular planter bed is built directly into the paving. Bordered by a simple, light-colored wooden or composite edge, it is filled with dark gravel to provide high contrast. Inside this gravel bed sit two perfectly manicured, dark green, spherical evergreen shrubs, like dwarf pines or globe arborvitae. These evergreens provide permanent, year-round architecture against the seasonal flowers. Tucking a small, whimsical decorative mushroom ornament among them adds a playful cottagecore touch. Along the right brick wall, a row of densely packed potted flowers resting on rustic wooden log slices balances the structured gravel bed on the left. Finally, a transitional courtyard like this must be enclosed to feel like a true sanctuary. You want to capture that warm, golden light of late afternoon without feeling exposed to the street or the neighbors. The background of the courtyard is enclosed by a simple gray metal fence or gate. This ensures the space remains a highly private, floral retreat. Having an enclosed metal gate keeps the courtyard entirely secure, meaning the dog can safely patrol the area or lounge in the sun without any worry of wandering off. By combining bold siding colors with classic brick, diagonally patterned terracotta tiles, and a massive structural display of container gardening, you create a breathtaking transition space that brings the exterior of your home vividly to life. Thank you for joining me on this masterclass in design. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.